Dear friend, all we know, cube ice machine has to be washed with citric acid when maintenance, since long-term use will create many incrustations and affect ice-making efficiency. So acid-resistant quality is really important. And right now, we just finished our acid-resistant test on cube ice machine evaporator. We compare our evaporator with other manufacturer ones and simulating cleaning with acid detergent. After 10 minutes testing, we can see the evaporator from other manufacturers shows obvious corrosion marks, which will definitely affect ice making efficiency and ice quality. But our evaporator, without any change, is still really good. It demonstrates our cube ice machine evaporator has better acid-resistant quality than others, at least twice the industry standard, which greatly ensures the long-term use of our cube ice machine. So let's go for our cube ice machine, and you are getting higher efficiency and durability.